Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. It's nighttime. That's why I'm talking kind of low. I'm going to be making some cold brew coffee. I'm using our new Tupperware cold brewer. It just comes with this clear plastic container with a funnel in it. If you want, you put in 1 cup or 2 cups of ground coffee in it, and I've been using it and I love it. Let me bring you in closer and show you how we're going to do this. This is so easy to make. I got my water, cold water here. And I use whole beans that I grind, and I love the 8 o'clock medium with it. I just think it tastes awesome when I do this, and then I add my sweetener and my creamer. It tastes like a Kahlua. It's awesome. All right, so I got my Sakura. It's a spice grinder, but I use it as a coffee grinder. I got my 1 cup measuring cup because that's how much we need. And yeah, let's get this going. I will put you on fast forward while I grind and make the thing, and then I'll bring you back when I'm done grinding. To use a funnel just a little so you can see, and then I just pour the coffee beans in there, or ground coffee. You can use regular coffee, I guess, but I never do. And then I'm gonna fill it up to the silver line with cold water, and then we let it set overnight. And I fill it right up to there. And I go a little bit over because that coffee's going to absorb some of the water. Take my cool little filter off. I don't know if you can see inside there, but the coffee is floating. Okay. And then the lid just goes right over the top like that. It does not screw on, so be careful about that. Set it in your refrigerator overnight. I've let it set for 2 days before, but come tomorrow, it's going to be the best cold brew coffee. It's so healthy for you. I'll put in the video of the awesomeness that it is for drinking cold brew, but I still drink my regular hot coffee in the morning. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we're back. It's now 6:45 in the evening. Take this out. So you just lift it up, let some of the water drain out. I let as much as I can. Kind of shake it up a little. Then I stick it inside the cup and let it drain in there. Alright, I've already put my sweetener in. I used 2. And then I'm going to take my cold brew. I fill it up about that full. And then I take my creamer. I use hazelnut. And there's ice in my coulis. And then I stir it around really good, and I kid you not, it tastes just like a Kahlua to me. So I really like it. So that's how I make my iced coffee. All right, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.